Thursday Taupe Rogue Boots unboxing plus on feet review part 3 with the updates. We'll cover specs and sizing and finding out towards the end if I would actually recommend these Jodphur boots for $199 USD. Also make sure you stay tuned till the very end of this video for a try on and Thursday Rogue Boots outfit to see how to style them. Welcome back SWAT soldiers, where we're always evolving to be the best man we could be. And if you're new here, subscribe now to your men's style guide to stop missing any more men's style videos as we're starting right now. The Jodphur is a casual yet dressy boot with personality that gives off a stylish and classic look that turns heads. Today, we're taking a look at Thursday Boot Company's take of the classic and timeless boot, the Jodphur, by bringing you the Rogue Boots. Starting with specs, the Thursday Rogue Boots have a cork bed midsole with a full glove leather interior lining and a leather suede upper. The suede has a rougher texture than standard suede, giving off a different look, which I could also appreciate as well. It comes pre-treated with Thursday's weather-safe technology, which prevents water from penetrating the leather and beats off moisture very well like a freshly waxed car. Although, I'd opt to use a different boot for conditions such as heavier snow and salt conditions in winter for extra care and precaution. They also come with pour-on antimicrobial shock-absorbing insole, which prevents odor. They always smell practically like new of leather after wearing, just like when I first unboxed them, and we'll get into comfort and sizing up ahead. The black gunmetal buckle feels well made with some weight to it, while the strap feels sturdy with clean stitching around it, although time will tell how the two hold up. Now the stitching overall looks well done on this particular boot and done with care. The Rogue Boots feature a leather outsole with TPU studs for added traction when you need it, making it a more practical city boot than what you would typically find from other Jodhpur boots that are also typically more expensive, although in Colorado, it can still feel a bit sketchy when caught in the snow or rain, even with the TPU studs. I've definitely felt like I could bust my ass in sleet and feel the loss of traction, so still be cautious with precipitation with this outsole. I did notice the color on the leather outsole began to wear rather fast after just one quick use and hardly walking in them compared to the captain boots, although it would have been nice to preserve the color underneath a bit longer. Since it is a pretty cool looking color for when you kick your feet up, it's not that big of a deal to me. The rubber heel and TPU studs are pretty solid and remain in like new condition, with hardly any signs of wear, as well as the leather upper. The Rogues have a Goodyear welt construction all around the sole, except for around the heel, giving off a slimmer and sleeker boot aesthetic. Speaking of aesthetics, the back of the heel tapers down from the top of the heel to the bottom of the heel, also contributing to its sleek silhouette. Note the heel stands at about 1.5 inches. I like the additional height it gives me. It doesn't feel too tall and feels comfortable to walk in for me. On to comfort. After first putting them on and taking a few steps, I was quite surprised with the comfort. They felt more comfortable than I expected. They also felt easy to walk in, and I remember the live moment of thinking, I'm enjoying the feeling of stepping into them with each step, that it actually feels comfortable when I really wasn't expecting it. It feels more like wearing a really comfortable pair of sneakers having the pour-on shock-absorbing insole. Make sure you take a moment to smash like right now if you're getting value out of this video. It's really greatly appreciated. Now, back to the video. Let's get into sizing. I did notice the back of my heel slide up a bit and rub on the back of the inside of the boot when I step, which I can see leading to premature wear on the inside with that added friction. I know Thursday suggests to go a half size down, but I went true to my sneaker size as I usually always wear, since that's what I got with my captain boots, which worked well, but the Rogue seems to run a lot bigger for me. Or perhaps the ankle area around the strap is made a bit big since I buckle the strap to the smallest position available and still have extra room. Maybe that's making the back of the heel slide up and rub when walking. I do suggest getting at least a half size down, or maybe even a full size down or more from your sneaker size to prevent heel rubbing on the inside of the back of the boot as you step. I actually ended up going 2 full sizes down from what I usually always wear. This has stopped the heel slipping for me, which leads me to believe I may have more narrow feet to go 2 full sizes down. Now, you ask if I would recommend these Jodhpur boots at $199 USD. Before I answer that, I wanted to be 100% transparent with you guys and mention that upon finding my correct size, the quality can be a hit or a miss. I've seen melted or warped rubber TPU studs that aren't flush to the ground, which can decrease traction. I've also seen areas that are missing Goodyear welt stitching, while also seeing holes or puncture marks. I've also seen a big scratch on the leather upper that stands out. This was during Q4 through the holiday season 2020, Maybe the holidays impacted the quality, as I'm sure they had a lot of orders and maybe they had to speed up production. Which brings us back to the question, would I recommend these boots? I would actually recommend these boots to the guy that's looking for a stylish and sleek Goodyear welt boot for city wear, that also wants a more practical boot for the elements, with the added water protection and TPU studs for extra grip, and for the guy that also doesn't want to spend $1,000 for a great pair of boots, but still wants good quality in his footwear. Just check out the quality before wearing out. I've had a pleasant experience with their customer support, and it really seems they stand by their product and will work with you to make things right. I think their customer service is really great from my experience. For those reasons, I feel comfortable ordering boots from them knowing they stand by their product, and I would actually look into grabbing some captain boots with the new Storm King outsole for Colorado. I think the captains are looking mean in matte black. Now, let's take a look at a Thursday Rogue Boots on-feet outfit and see how to style them, and I'll see you back in a moment. Taupe or black, which would you prefer to style? Comment below. Smash like right now if you like this video. It really is greatly appreciated, men. Subscribe now to be the best man you can be. And if you're into menswear, to stop missing out on any more videos.